Hey there, so we've got an EZGO golf cart that we've had for about a month now, and we've loved it. We've been able to cruise around our neighborhood in it, and in the process we've kind of thought about what can we do to deck this out a little further. So one thing we found was missing is there are no speakers on it, and that's pretty true for most golf carts. You don't have built-in speakers. So we decided that we're gonna go ahead and just use a portable Bluetooth speaker to get some sound hooked up so we can cruise around while listening to tunes. So the speaker I have here is a Bola Buddy. It's just a small portable Bluetooth speaker. It's about 10.5 inches long and then 2.5 inches diameter. You can see it kind of has the rounded triangle shape here. This is what we're going to use to add sound to our EZGO. And while we could try to just kind of put the speaker here around the cup holders, it doesn't quite fit in there. It's probably going to bounce around as we're driving. We purchased this mount that's made to hold portable speakers. And this speaker mount, this is made by 10 LOL, pretty popular golf cart accessory manufacturer. So today we're going to look at this mount, how to get it installed, and see if it works for our golf cart. It's got nice heavy duty straps here. You've got the Velcro, and this is designed to accommodate various sized speakers and to attach onto the golf cart rails. So there's multiple ways to use this mount, but what I like to do is get all the straps unfolded here. I'm lining up the bottom edge of the speaker with the bottom stitching here of our middle portion. We're going to take one of these long side straps, and we're going to go ahead and loop it through our plastic clip here. So you can see we're forming a loop around the speaker now. And then what we're going to do is take our bottom Velcro strap, position it like that, and then fold our long strap back over it. So now we're creating essentially a bottom strap that'll prevent our speaker from falling through the bottom if it ever loses grip there. So then we're going to do the same thing with the top here. And then we're going to loop our long vertical strap back over. So now we've got a nice holder here. Now it's time to get the mount strapped onto the golf cart rail here. So we've got our short straps here. We're just positioning the backside of the speaker mount onto the rail. One thing to note, you want your strap here on the bottom. That way you're going to hold the speaker in place and prevent it from ever falling out. And I'm got it strapped in now, and this thing isn't going anywhere. It's nice and solid. And those short straps definitely could handle much larger diameters here than the rail that we're working with. This mount is also designed not just for golf carts, but also for bicycles and other different rides. So one thing here, we've got our controls for the most part still accessible. So I can still go ahead and turn the power on to the speaker and get it paired up, ready for use. So when the time comes where you need to remove the speaker from the mount, there's a few different options. You can loosen up some of the longer straps here and pull it out. Otherwise, you can keep it strapped in and just undo your short straps, take it off the rail, and go ahead, bring the whole assembly inside, get it charged up, and then re-strap those short straps onto the rail here. The speaker is a really simple way to add sound to your golf cart. What's great with this particular speaker is that it can pair if you get a second one of these. So actually then you could have a speaker on the other side. So then you've got two speakers giving you almost like a surround sound experience in the golf cart.